Join me as I take on the challenge of growing a massive harvest of fresh ginger right in my own containers at home. In this video, you'll learn how to easily grow ginger in containers, making it perfect for small spaces and urban gardening. Many people think that growing ginger requires a large garden, but that's not the case. Growing it in containers is a great solution for limited space. While it's true that ginger needs room to spread out, you can still get a bountiful harvest with the right techniques and container size. One of the benefits of growing ginger in containers is that you can move it around to get the perfect amount of sunlight, which is essential for healthy growth. Plus, containers make it easier to control the soil quality and temperature, which are crucial for ginger plants. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the idea of having fresh ginger right in their backyard or patio? Growing ginger in containers is also a great way to add some greenery to your space, even if you don't have a large yard. You can place the containers on a balcony, patio, or even indoors if you have a sunny windowsill. And because ginger is a low-maintenance plant, it's perfect for busy people who want to get into gardening without committing to a ton of work. Another advantage of growing ginger in containers is that you can grow different varieties, which can add some excitement to your cooking. Imagine having a stash of fresh ginger to add to your favorite stir-fries, soups, or baked goods. It's a game changer for home cooks and bakers. You'll explore the step-by-step process of selecting the right ginger, choosing the perfect container, soil requirements, and care tips to ensure a successful harvest. When it comes to selecting the right ginger, you want to look for pieces that have at least a few eyes or buds on them. These are the nodes where the new shoots will grow from, so make sure you choose a piece with multiple eyes to increase your chances of getting a healthy plant. For the container, you'll want to choose one that's at least 6 to 8 inches deep and has drainage holes in the bottom. Ginger roots need room to spread out, so a deep container is essential. You can use a plastic or clay pot or even a wooden planter box. Just make sure it has drainage holes. When it comes to soil, you'll want to use a well-draining potting mix that's designed for tropical plants like ginger. You can also mix in some organic matter like compost or perlite to improve drainage. One of the most important things to remember is to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. As you care for your ginger plant, make sure to provide it with indirect sunlight and keep the temperature between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. You can fertilize your plant with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season, but avoid over-fertilizing, which can damage the roots. The key moment will be revealing the exciting transformation of your ginger plants as they grow, and sharing tips on when and how to harvest them for the best flavor. As your ginger plants grow, you'll start to notice the leaves turning yellow and the stems becoming brittle. This is a sign that the ginger is mature and ready to harvest. Use a fork to gently dig up the roots, being careful not to damage them. You can harvest your ginger at any time, but if you want the best flavor, wait until the plants are around 6 to 8 months old. Simply dig up the roots, wash them clean, and slice off the amount you need. You can use it fresh, dry it, or freeze it for later use. To wrap up, you'll summarize the essential steps to growing ginger in containers and the satisfaction of enjoying homegrown produce. Growing ginger in containers is definitely possible, even for beginners. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh ginger right in your own backyard or patio. To wrap up, don't forget to like this video, share your ginger growing experiences in the comments, and check out my other gardening videos for more tips.